Have you ever wondered why overthinkers notice things others completely miss? Why they can read people, predict situations, and sense danger before anything even happens? People often say, stop overthinking. But what if I told you? Overthinking is actually a superpower when used the right way. Today we're diving deep into the psychology of overthinkers and why they often understand the world better than anyone else. Overthinkers are the people who don't just see what's happening, they see why it's happening. While most people react on impulse, overthinkers are subconsciously scanning people's tone, body language, inconsistencies in behavior, possible outcomes, hidden intentions. This isn't paranoia, it's a highly active analytical brain. Psychologists say overthinkers have stronger pattern recognition. They connect dots faster and deeper, which makes them understand situations before others even realize something is wrong. Overthinking comes from deep emotional awareness. These people don't just feel emotions, they study them. They ask themselves, why did I feel that? What does this mean? What triggered this thought? This emotional depth gives them better empathy, stronger intuition, higher relationship awareness. Overthinkers understand not only their own feelings, but also what others are silently going through. Here's the truth. Overthinkers get hurt, not because they don't see red flags, but because they see them and still hope the person will change. Their brain picks up micro changes in behavior, shorter replies, different tone, sudden distance shifts in priorities. Most people ignore these signs, but overthinkers catch them immediately. They understand people better because they notice everything. While everyone else takes life at face value, overthinkers ask the uncomfortable questions. Why would they say that? Why did this happen? What if the opposite is true? Is there something deeper going on? This makes them better problem solvers, better planners, better decision makers. Their brain doesn't settle for surface answers. It wants the truth behind situations. Overthinkers are often quiet, not because they have nothing to say, but because they are watching, analyzing, calculating. They monitor who is real, who is fake, who is insecure, who is manipulative, who is genuine. While others talk, overthinkers decode. This gives them a deeper and sharper understanding of people and the world. Overthinkers mentally rehearse possible scenarios, worst cases, best cases, alternative outcomes. Some call it anxiety, but it also makes them incredibly prepared. They walk into situations knowing exactly what to expect. They don't like surprises because they already predicted 10 possible outcomes. This is why overthinkers handle crises better than expected. They already thought about them. Overthinkers replay painful experiences again and again in their mind, not because they enjoy suffering, but because they're extracting lessons. When something hurts, they don't just move on. They break it down, analyze it, understand it. This turns their pain into wisdom, their heartbreak into awareness, their mistakes into maturity. Pain becomes their teacher. Overthinkers have a gift most people underestimate: intuition. Because they constantly analyze emotions, behavior, logic, and patterns, their brain develops a subconscious early warning system. They can sense when someone is lying, when something feels off, when trouble is coming, when a person doesn't have good intentions. People call them dramatic, until their prediction turns out to be exactly right. Overthinking is not a flaw. It's a reflection of a mind that refuses to accept things blindly. Overthinkers understand the world better because they feel deeper, notice more, analyze harder, reflect longer, question everything. They see what others ignore. They think about what others avoid. They understand what others misunderstand. So if you're an overthinker, remember this: you're not too much. Your mind is just working at a higher resolution than everyone else's, and that is your greatest strength.